Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make bread pudding. Please stick around and watch this video. First I'm gonna start with 3 eggs. Gonna whisk this. I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and this is salted butter, 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna whisk this together. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of raisin. You don't have to add a raisin if you don't want to. The raisin is very optional, totally optional. Teaspoon of cinnamon powder, teaspoon of nutmeg. It's time to add our bread. I'm gonna use 10 slices of bread. You can use whole wheat, you can use whatever type of bread you want to use. Now we're just gonna break up the bread and add it to the custard or the mixture that you just made. You can cut this with a knife or you can break this up with your hands. Wash your hands before breaking up the bread with your hands if you're going to use your hands. Even though it's your food, but I don't want nobody to leave that in the comment section says she don't even wash her hands and she's breaking up the bread. Well, yes, I washed my hands already. So we're going to coat the bread. Ensure all the bread is coated with the mixture. Because you want this to be nice and soaked up. So we're going to leave this to soak up for at least 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you want to take your potato masher or you want to take a fork and just smooth out the bread. You can just bake it right away like that, but I like to smooth out the bread, okay? You don't have to smooth out the bread if you don't want to, like this, okay? And just get it smooth as possible. You want to go ahead and preheat the oven at 350 degrees. I already grease my container. And we're gonna bake this for 45 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. It all depending on your oven. So we're gonna bake this for 45 to 50 minutes. Or until you insert a toothpick and nothing comes off on it. So now we're gonna pop this into the oven. And here you have it, guys, my delicious bread pudding. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh. Delicious bread pudding. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also leave me a comment down below. This is super moist. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.